Here's how to convert WebM to WAV or waveform audio. So I created an app called ConvertSave. It's an offline file converter for Windows and Mac. All you have to do is drag and drop your files into ConvertSave from your desktop and then just go select the output. So in this case, we're going to go to, what do we say? We're going to go to WAV, right? Waveform audio. So WAV right there. We hit convert and it saves right next to where that file originated from. I worked on this with my brother. He's a software developer, and I wanted to create a kind of universal file converter. Right now it does images, video, and audio, and it works on your desktop. So no more uploading to weird, sketchy websites and having to download and organize your files. It's simple. Drag and drop, convert. Also, you go up here and you've got some extra options. So we just added some advanced options in this little gear tab. If you know anything about the conversion tool being used, which changes whether it's video, audio, or images, you can actually add in your own custom commands for those conversions. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, that's okay. We have an options builder over here, and depending on what the conversion is that you're converting, you actually have a ton of different options that are more user-friendly to go through and kind of understand what the settings are. We're going to work on building even more user-friendly options in here. But if you wanted to, for instance, change the audio bit rate of your conversion while you're converting it, or even the start and end time, so you wanted to like trim the audio out of a certain section, you can generate those commands and save them, and they'll apply to your conversion. So you can create your own custom commands, even if you're not an advanced user where you know exactly what you want to use. And so that's ConvertSave. You can check it out at the link in the description or the pinned comment down there. Also, you can just go to convertsave.com if you want to check it out. Yeah, it's an offline file converter for images, video, and audio. You can convert WebM to WAV and many other formats as you see here, and it's super simple. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.